In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy meme coins on BNB Chain. Now, there's a bunch of different platforms where you can actually do this, but for me, I'm using Axiom Pro. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment if you want to use it as well. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out if you want to, you will not regret it. So to buy meme coins on BNB Chain, Axiom was actually huge on the Solana meme coin game, but recently they've updated to where you can actually trade BNB meme coins as well. So just go to Sol up here and click on BNB, and you've switched over to the BNB chain. Now, here to actually buy meme coins in the BNB chain, you have to first, of course, fund your wallet. So click on the deposit button, and then you can either deposit your BNB from a different wallet, you can buy it right on here on Axiom, or you can convert it in case you're holding some Solana or Hyperliquid. So after you then have some BNB to actually buy meme coins, it's very simple. You have to first, of course, do the research on what meme coins you want to buy. I'm not going to guide you through this, and I'm not going to advise you on that. There's thousands of tutorials on YouTube. You can find how to actually find good meme coins, avoid the scams, stuff like that. So make sure you watch all those, and then you'll be able to identify and find good meme coins. And then to actually buy the meme coins on the BNB chain, you can come over here, find the coin you want to buy. So let's say you find something inside trending or here on the polls tab where you can see the new pairs, final stretch coins, and the migrated. And then here you can, of course, find the coins. So let's say there's a coin you found, for example, like this one, and you want to actually buy it. Click on it here on the right hand side. You have to select the buy button and then select how much you want to buy, and then just buy it with the click of this button. Now, of course, you can also sell them on here and make a profit, hopefully that way, and trade them. So yeah, if you want any other tutorials on Axiom or BNB coins, meme coins, stuff like that, I have a lot of them on my channel as well, so check those out too. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.